Today, we're making a cake that will steal your heart. A lemon poppy seed bundt cake. Fragrant, fluffy, and a sweet reminder that life is better with dessert. Let's start like true pros, with the lemons. We grate the zest. But easy does it. Avoid the white part unless you enjoy bitterness in life. Now squeeze the juice. A bit for the cake, and, well, the rest can go into your tea. Pour some of that juice into the milk. Yep, you heard me right. Trust the process. Let it sit for 10 minutes and work its magic. Next up, poppy seeds. Give them a hot bath with boiling water and let them relax for 15 minutes. Poppy seeds enjoy a little spa time. Now for the fun part. Whisk 5 eggs with sugar until fluffy and light. Whisk until you're tempted to taste it. But hold on, the best is yet to come. Add melted butter, and no, don't mistake it for your morning coffee. Pour in the milk with lemon juice. The remaining lemon juice. And all that beautiful zest. Stir it up. Smells like sunshine already. Sift in the flour. Vanilla sugar. Baking powder. And baking soda. Yes, sift it. It's not just for show. It's for that perfect airy texture. Stir in the poppy seeds. Now the batter has some personality. Let's prep the bundt pan. That lovely one with a hole in the middle. Brush it with butter and dust it with flour, like it's getting ready for a fancy date. Pour in the batter, smooth it out, and admire your work. Then pop it into the oven, 50 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Set a timer, or just follow the incredible smell filling your kitchen. While it bakes, let's make the glaze. Whisk egg white with powdered sugar. And lemon juice until it's silky smooth. If it looks like a lemon-flavored cloud, you nailed it. Once the cake has cooled, patience. I know, drizzle it with the glaze, sprinkle with almond flakes and lemon zest. And there you have it. A cake that's as delicious as a lazy Sunday morning, and as pretty as your Instagram feed. Slice it, serve it with tea, and maybe, just maybe, share a piece with someone you like.